Hey everyone! At Kenra Professional, we know that you have many different options when it comes to choosing a color line. So we've broken down the main reasons why you would choose Kenra Color. Those reasons are performance, outstanding shine, and value. Let's start with performance. We are a performance-driven company. Everything that we come out with and everything that we bring you is backed by science. Our color goes through rigorous testing to ensure that it is consistent, reliable, and does exactly what it says it's going to do for maximum performance. Outstanding shine. Vibrant, healthy-looking hair usually has some level of shine factor, right? Well, using Kenra Color provides up to 2 times the shine versus untreated hair, so now is your time to shine. Value. Kenra Color provides unparalleled value when it comes to cost, quality, and delivering the performance you've come to expect. Our competitive price point combined with the superior performance makes Kenra Color a very smart decision for stylists of all experience levels. And value doesn't just relate to price, it's also the support you get from Kenra. Whether it be from in-salon or virtual education, our loyalty rewards program, our YouTube channel with over 400 videos to help you master your craft, or maybe it's the sales support and business development support you get from our business development managers. Kenra Color sets the stylist up for success and provides the tools necessary to give you and your clients the look they desire. We hope you'll take this information into consideration when choosing your next color line. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for all the latest and greatest updates.